are tired today. Mom and I.
Aua, was ist der Aua? Liegst du auf dem Puzzleteil?
Callum is, he's kind of fussy today. I don't know, maybe we did too much yesterday, I don't know. Mom and I stayed up really late watching American Sniper last night, and I will be honest, I didn't like it. I'm sure the movie, huh?
But did you know what the movie was about before you watched it?
Yeah, I mean, I knew it was about the guy. I just didn't really find it all that entertaining. Yeah? Did you like it? Why didn't you like it?
It was not really... It was not fascinating, it wasn't not exciting. I mean, all it was him in Iraq, coming back, coming back home, going back to Iraq, coming back home.
I think what was hard, I think what was tough about it is that they were trying to fit a lot into a couple of hours. So, you really didn't get all the details that, at least I didn't feel like I had enough of the details to really connect to it. I don't know, he seemed distant, but you didn't really get a whole lot about it. You didn't get a whole lot of his brother that was also there, and I don't know, I just didn't like it. I didn't really like it. I think Bradley Cooper did a great job. He was awesome in it. I think Sienna Miller did a really good job in it. Last night there were a couple of scenes that involved children that became casualties of war, and that it triggered something. I think watching that, not just reading a news story and hearing about it and then mentally visualizing it, but I think actually seeing it in a movie, it triggered something in me, and I couldn't watch it. I was just like, nope.
Okay, hier kommen sie. Ja, kommen sie. Willst du auch mal fahren? Ja. Willst du auch mal fahren? Ja, das sind die Fahrräder, ne? Callum and I are here at the dirt park for bikes. We left Mommy at home and we're gonna have some fun today. See what Callum is gonna do in a couple of years. Yeah, fun. Let's go ride a bike.
Die 31 Aaron Hansel, dann die 46 Ryan Kleiner, dann haben wir die 165, dann Nils Ellinger, der war schon der erste Lauf, jetzt liegt er wieder vorne, vorne 146, 145, Ina.
Wow, huh? Watching the bikes makes so thirsty. Hast du Durst? Wieder zurück in die Tasche? Genau, und weiter. Geh mal weiter. It is quite hard, but yeah, it's pretty cool. They have all kinds of kids driving, 9, 10, 11, 12 years old. So Callum can learn how to ride a dirt bike. What's he gonna do in a couple of years? But shh, don't tell Katie. Callum is obsessed with the bikes. We got the permission to spin the wheel, so it's okay. Callum's climbing on the folded benches. Oi! Oi!
Vorstand Bescheid. Sag dem Vorstand Bescheid.
Warum muss ich lieber das Rote fahren? Das ist viel mehr deine Größe, ne? Das ist ein kleines Fahrrad.
Julian P. 130, Brian Kleiner, die 46. Hallo, Ranzel, die 130.
That ain't it.
We are looking for a restaurant to go to tomorrow because it's mine and Roman's 3rd anniversary tomorrow.
Oh, wedding anniversary.
Callum, are you looking for a place for Mommy and Papa to go to dinner? Are you gonna hang out with Oma and Werner? Well, you're not going now. Callum, wait. Callum. Come on. What are you doing? What is Papa doing?
You're in the bathroom.
You're in the bathroom. Oh, here comes Callum.
I don't want German food. I don't want Chinese.
Uh-huh. No, I don't want Chinese either.
I also don't want burgers and fries.
Fries?
Fries.
It's so hard. Callum? What? Hey, Callum, I have to ask you a question. Hey, Callum. Did you have fun at the race today?
Uh-uh.
No? You didn't have fun? You didn't have fun today? Did you have fun today? With Papa? Did you have fun? Hey, Callum. Did you see lots of bicycles? How many did you see? 1, 2, 1, 2? 3? You saw 3? Oh, goodness. Oh, goodness. Oh, wow. Look at those moves. Hey, Callum. Cap. Hi. This kid. You've had a busy weekend, right? You saw animals yesterday, and you saw a fire truck. What sound does the fire truck make? That's the sound it makes? And then today you saw a bicycle. What sound does the bicycle make? That's the sound a bicycle makes? What is happening here? What sound does Papa make? What sound does Papa make? So you guys had fun at the BMX track?
I think so, yeah. Huh?
Yeah, oh yeah. Well, good.
She was more fascinated by the tires, wheels, and pedals. They were laying on the floor.
Callum. That's
Wasn't interested in the race at all.
that's sort of how Callum is, you know. Like you take him to do something and he's always interested in the things that you're not even there for. Yeah. All right, guys, we're gonna go ahead and end the vlog. Roman, by the time this vlog is uploaded, it is our anniversary. Thank you for watching. If you haven't subscribed, please click that red subscribe button down below and leave us a comment, like this video, share this video, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.